She's so perfect.
I know. Who, Marissa? Tacapelli?
Yeah.
No. Oh, good morning, Westies.
I'm Michelle Cabral.
I'm Olivia Quagliani.
And this is your morning news.
To the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The baseball team is sponsoring a rib rally at Texas Roadhouse. Place your order with any baseball player now and pick it up on Tuesday, February 24th between 4 to 6 p.m. Make sure to bring your receipt.
The Gateway Community College Application Day will be Wednesday, March 25th in the library. If interested, see your school counselor and sign up.
Are you interested in cars? Come join the Auto Club. The meetings are held in room G19 after school on Mondays. See Mr. Shine for details.
Underclassmen, yearbooks are on sale now featuring freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. The cost is $25. And seniors, your yearbooks are still on sale for $80 in Miss Acarilla's room in E214.
There will be a Pi Day competition on March 14th for all grades. Make sure to remember the most digits from pi in order to pi a teacher of your choice. See your math teacher for details.
There will be a boys tennis meeting Friday, February 27th in room D208 at 1:50 for all new and returning players.
Westie Blue Devil fleece blankets are on sale now for $26 in Miss Acarilla's room in room E214. Now here's a video from your advanced video production class. Well, thanks for that, guys.
Very stylish.
Well, it looks like we're out of time for today, Westies.
I'm Michelle Cabral.
I'm Olivia Quagliani.
And this is your Westie News Team
Signing off.